Hari arutwo 689 aria maikarire kigerio gĩa KCSE mwaka muthiru wa 2019 2025 na 463 nio magĩire grade ya C+ guthie na iguru na kwimathira mieke ya guthie university. Hari arutwo aya bodi ya kuoya arutwo makollege-inĩ na university bũrũri-inĩ niyo KUPS ehete arutwo 122 na 831 mieke university-inĩ. Arutwo angĩ 53,726 metĩtwo guthie college-inĩ itiganĩte guthomera kothi cia diploma, nao 34 magetwo guthomera kothi polytechnic-inĩ cia matura.
All the universities together submitted in their programs a joint capacity of 145,129, while the TVET provided 276,163.
Arutwo 2,632 ona thengia wa gukorwo makinyĩtie grade ya guthie university macagurite guthie guthoma kothi cia moko, undu uria minister wa githomo augite ni uronania andu ni makuukitwo ni bata wa guthoma kothi ici.
And they should therefore be encouraged, because from where we sit as government, money is money, whether you earn it wearing a tie like myself or whether you earn it bending to repair a broken toilet. When you take that money home to your wife, mother and child, it provides food on the table.
Niguo gutigirira aria marathoma kothi ici cia moko ni maranyitirirwo na njira iria yagiriire, thirikari ni iratwarithia mubango wa kumarihira gicunjĩ kimwe gia bithi na iguru ria o makaheo mweke wa kuheo kigina ni ruhonge rwa HELB.
We are also giving as government another money for those who will go to village polytechnics, those which we call vocational education centers today. Per student or per learner, the government, through those who have been recruited through KUPS, are getting 30,000 shillings each to ensure that the fees, which stands at 56,400, is subsidized by 30,000.
Riboti ino yukite riri ya Kenya makoretwo metereire itua ria kana macukuru ni mekuhingurwo, undu uria magoha ahinyiriirie ati ndungitengererwo niguo ndugacoke gutuma merire.
Whatever advice we shall give His Excellency the President will be an informed one, where everybody will take the risk so that we share the risk together. And the most important determinant shall be the safety of our children.
Thutha wa kurikirira kwa mihango ino riu, Ministry ya githomo ni heanite mwerekera kuri university na college maranirie na arutwo aya niguo aria mangihota kwambiriria githomo kiao kuhitukira mitambo ya kiriu mekeguo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.